Introducing the 2020 Volkswagen Golf Cline 1.0 TSI M6F 5-door with a sleek grey exterior, 115 horsepower and a 1-litre engine. This estate model is perfect for those seeking comfort and style on the road. Enjoy features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity and LED lights for added safety. With ABS, multiple airbags and collision alert, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the chrome package and roof rails add a touch of luxury. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic car. Contact us at michaelmoore.ie for more information.